Renewable natural gas technology has been around for decades, but it's really starting to gain momentum now that we're more concerned and focused on these waste streams of methane in the environment.
Some organizations are exploring renewable natural gas because of their ability to reduce carbon emissions while at the same time leveraging some of their existing natural gas infrastructure.
As far as RNG design and construction goes, overall they're very interesting designs. We've done multiple of these projects, both in the landfill gas space and the dairy animal waste space as well.
A lot of the complexity that goes into an RNG plant doesn't just come from the technical production, but also from areas such as permitting, utility interconnections, capture efficiency, and also long-term operation and maintenance.
Salas O'Brien has a strong network of developers, contractors, and technology providers to really bring together a team that understands what a client needs on their site in terms of the right solution, not just the convenient solution.
Through our years of doing these designs, working around these plants, going to these plants in construction administration phase, we have the knowledge and expertise to take on anything when it comes to renewable natural gas design.
You don't have to provide any kind of upgrades to your existing infrastructure to make use of it. It is the same thing as pipeline quality natural gas you're buying today. You're just offsetting a traditional fossil fuel by using it.
We typically would help our clients with not just the technical, but also the financial feasibility of the RNG project. We look at their existing infrastructure, and then that would help us determine what RNG production rate they could be looking at.